everyone, welcome back. It's Amie here. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a stunning idea to bring your home a modern look. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. Start by taking 6 tubes and place them vertically like this. Now take another set of 6 tubes and place them horizontally onto it and glue them. So once you find them verified, take the newspaper tube, connect them, fold them in half and place it inside as shown. Alright, so once you're done with it, you can start with the waving. Twist the working tubes and wave it as shown. Repeat the same 4 to 5 times. So once you're done with it, you can start waving each single tube. Well, this sort of waving is pretty much easier to do and not as hard as you think. But you only need a bit of patience. Continue the same until you need the basket base to be. Finally, we're done with the basket base. So now let's start building up the wall of the basket. You can give a little press for the other tube so that it's gonna be easier when you're gonna build the wall. Extend the working tubes and then just start weaving like this. Make sure the tubes are standing up so that the weaving doesn't get flattened. Well, it's gonna look sort of like this. As we are making a tray, the walls won't be that longer, so I'm just gonna repeat it 3 to 4 times. Alright, so I'm gonna stop here and glue the working yarns. Insert them to the nearest tube you find. Alright, so once you're done with all that, you can insert the tubes if you find them too short, because we're gonna make the basket endings. For making the basket endings, take a tube, fold them onto the next tube as shown. Insert the last tube you find like this. Now repeat the same vice versa. You only need to insert the tube as shown. Alright, so we're done with the basket endings. We're gonna cut out the excess that you find and place them to the nearest tube you find. Well, I've left 3 here to show you guys how I made them for the rest of the tubes. Alright, so now we are done with all that. Now let's make the handles. Well, I've made one here already. Take 2 tubes, fold them in half and bend them little. Repeat the same for the other tube. Now glue them. Once it's well dried, take a tube and spin it like this. Well, I'm done with it. Make sure that both the handles are same size. Now take 2 smaller tubes, apply a little bit of glue on it and insert it like this. We're making this so that it will be more easier to tie the handles. Leave them for drying. Alright, it's now time for painting. To get this color, I've combined red, crimson and green color. I'm gonna paint the whole basket using the same color. That looks stunning. I've completed painting the whole basket. Now let's paint the handles. Here I've made them already. Now let's see how to fix them. Select the place where you want to fit the handles. Well, I'm making a little spacing so that it will be more easier to fit the handles in. Now insert the handle like this. Now fold the tube like this and tuck it to the nearest tube you find. You can even apply a little glue to make it more sturdy. Fix the other handle like this. And voila, our basket is complete. I hope you like this. If you do like this, then give me a thumbs up and a comment below. See you next time with new creative idea. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. You will be able to find different tutorials on brush lettering, miniature making, and wall decors, home decors and much more. So see you next time. Bye!